Boses is a story about a child, di ba, nasa isang foundation. Meron siyang history of abuse and then ni-rehabilitate. He found it, it's a journey, it's a process na habang hindi niya alam na he was up for rehabilitation, na hindi sinasadya, he found the solace in the music of yung violin. My role is the role of Amanda. I played the head of the facility. Para ako yung parang pinakananay nila or facilitator nung center, which houses, different children, abused, abandoned. O mga bata, meron tayong bagong kasama ha. Ang pangalan niya, Onyo.
Kamusta ka, Onyo?
Medyo espesyal na bata si Onyo. Hindi siya nakakapagsalita. It's been quite some time, but it's been very exciting. First, because seeing Julian at the time, when he was his age, very expressive yung mata. It's always fun and refreshing to be working with people na ganon. Plus yung staff and crew, medyo kilala ko, almost everybody. So, you know that you're working with people who has the same wavelength as yours, or that you're all doing a nice project. One of the things that really excited me was to be working with Mr. Bolipata. I'm a fan of his music. It was really fun. May mga magulang na handang magbago at pilit na nagbabago. May mga ama na gustong humingi ng tawad at may mga anak na handang magpatawad. It's the film is very hopeful. If you're trapped in a situation or akala mo yun na yung mundo mo, there's always hope. There's a better tomorrow, there's a better life. Diba? Whether you find it, yung character ni Julian, diba, found it in some music. He discovered to express, whatever pain, anger, whatever happiness he felt. So, I think it's one material na timeless yung story. Inaanyayahan po namin kayo na sana po tangkilikin niyo po at supportahan ang Boses. Palabas na po sa July 31 in all the SM cinemas. Magandang paglalakbay po ito ng tungkol sa buhay, pagdidiscover, pagiging hopeful. So sana ho, samahan niyo kami at supportahan niyo kami. Kita-kita po tayo July 31.